this is Adrian from Ride Engineering. We decided to buy a 2013 Honda this year as our shop test bike because the bike's all new and we wanted to see what products we could develop to improve the bike and make it more fun to ride for everyone who's into riding and racing. First day of testing, I went out to the track. I just put on my favorite handlebars and a shock spring for my weight and went out and rode the bike with everything else being stock. I thought the bike handled very well, but I thought the suspension was very poor and was very harsh. I thought the brakes didn't work so good on this bike, and the power seemed quite down on this bike, especially compared to, say, a Kawasaki. So there were some areas we definitely thought we could improve upon. From Ride Engineering, the things we thought we could do for this bike to make it better is to make it stop better. And to make it stop better, what we decided to do was go from the 440 millimeter rotor to a 270 oversized rotor kit. We added our billet brake caliper and we added some braided steel brake lines. To fix the power, we decided we needed a full exhaust system, and we went with an FMF single-sided exhaust because it's very lightweight and it definitely freed up the flow of the engine. The other things we did to try to make the bike breathe a little better was we removed all the hoses out of the air box. We tossed the stock air filter for a DT1 air filter because it's larger and it fits the stock cage better. And we went to Tokyo Mods and we had them remap our ignition. For handling, again, I thought the bike handled really well. However, we decided to try a full linkage system, and that also helped the suspension and it also helped the way the bike entered corners. Changing the triple clamp offsets was obviously something that we would do because we make triple clamps, and we tested many variations, but we found stock was best. Our clamps basically save weight on the bike, look cool, and they come with a one-piece bar mount that keeps the bar straight if you drop your bike in the corner. Those are really the only advantages. We kept the offset stock. Like I mentioned, the suspension on this bike stock is very difficult to come to terms with. Getting together with the local suspension guy that I work with, Steve Piattoni from Shock Therapy, this Honda was basically his very first 2013 that he had to figure out how to work with these new air forks. We literally tested and revalved the suspension 8 different times over 25 hours of riding on this motorcycle. And by the end of that time, we came out with a very good setting.